Hey guys, what's up? Socket RCE here. So, as you saw in the last video, I put a new motor in this. It's a Speed Gem 2. And I wired up some lights. So you can see right here. They are very bright though. And then I got a 6-channel receiver. It's a Fly Sky. And I also put that in this, and I did fix the servo in here too. All I had to do was reverse it. And then the Summit, we have to order new batteries for it, and all of this stuff. And I put a new ESC in here, but there is something wrong with the differential. Or the motor's just junk, which I don't think it's junk. And then these are both perfectly fine. And then there's the Crawler King, which hasn't been used in forever for some reason. So yeah, this thing, it'll start up, but I just don't have a pull starter on it. And I think that's it. So I was just driving this thing along, and the shock always breaks on me. All you gotta do is thread it back in. You can see right there. But it kind of sucks, because it's just kind of annoying. But yeah, we're gonna do that, and then, yeah. Okay, so I fixed that, and now here's some running of this. Go.
You good?
Yeah.
Got a nice sexy figure 8 slow-mo style for you.
Ooh. Ooh, I pulled a wheelie. Oh.
You ruptured me!
Oh. Oh. Let's see how this guy does on the grass. I have my new mounts. Well, this thing should do perfectly fine. It should, in fact, be pretty fast. Of course, it doesn't have the big mudding tires on it, but that's only so I can get more speed out of this thing. This thing's way faster than it used to be. It's great. And I put this old Fabuto, it was brand new, but it's a pretty old Fabuto steering servo in it, and it runs perfectly fine. They're steers, because I had steering troubles. I had a Traxxas 2018 in it, which did fine. It was just old. Ooh, pulling some wheelies and jumps. Ooh, ooh, yes. Ooh. Yeah. It's like the tires just get caught on the stuff. Yeah, it probably isn't the smartest. Okay, so I don't know if you saw, but I was driving around in that netting stuff, and it got all caught up in this wheel, like, in the back. And I'm going to take this off, get that off, and then we're going to put jumps inside. Because we just recently cleaned out the garage. We'll just move stuff around. And yeah, and I have good battery on the charger, so. That is a ton just covering up the hex. That is probably why it wasn't spinning. It would have not spun at all, but luckily, well, not luckily, it doesn't have a lock differential, unlike its predecessor, the Crawler King.